When someone disagrees with us or somehow makes our life difficult, remember that it's often not about us. It may be about their pain or struggle or whatever they're going through. Give them the benefit of the doubt. It takes a lot of effort to avoid being sucked in by other people's negativity at times. Keep your focus on the positives and don't let people mess with your mind. Stay alert and vigilant. Whatever you can give and whenever you can, spend in a good cause. You'll be among the richest and happiest person on Judgment Day. Don't expect to develop your character in times of ease. That happens only in trials and times of difficulty when your soul is strengthened. Don't give in to worry. It will rob you of everything, leaving you drained and lifeless. So no matter what happens, keep your inner peace. Death can come anytime. It doesn't matter if you're healthy or wealthy, you'll have to go when it's time. You can't challenge or avoid it. Facial expressions affect the mood of those around you. Make an effort to be positive. It will change many lives, beginning with yours. If you feel like you've reached the end of the road and want to give up, think of the hundreds of times you've failed and yet His mercy remains. Beware those who just love conflicts. They know how to get you to respond with the right triggers. Know their tricks. Don't engage them. Your journey is yours alone. Not everyone will understand it or like it. It's okay. Use the pain of the past for the strength you need today.